The armored vehicle repair base of the armed forces of Ukraine came under tremendous attack, causing more damage. The Russian Defense Ministry published footage on July 25, 2024, showing Russian reconnaissance drones patrolling the skies 24 hours a day. Seeing everything, Ukraine decided to gather more tanks there for repair work, west of the city of Kharkov. This is where the Ukrainian forces parked dozens of tanks, Bradley and other vehicles, in the open air at the facility with varying degrees of serviceability. The base operates about 20 to 30 kilometers from the front line, and it seems that they have difficulty carrying out the restoration of such equipment elsewhere. Russia hit it with cluster warheads, launched by the crew of Iskander-M operational tactical missile system. The group strike destroyed 2 workshops of the repair plant, and burned a row of parked armored vehicles and enemy objects on a large scale. As a result of the attack, the repair house was forced to be stopped, due to the very high damage and losses. It seems that the Russian armed forces are methodically working to further reduce the combat potential of Zelensky's armed formations, which is increasingly declining.